Chitariki ni 11 mutinyu mutangani omwaka w'ekiri 2025. Karibu sana ese Ekeonga Ewikendi Chinsa Ikomi no kwegena kwana muna nogendete kwegokia gwetera emerubero ya Getembe TV nakyo Ekeonga kia mangana amaya. Andonsi asore ngote karibu sana ili tonyara kurigereria na aralia bereka wateka kuruchingongo Chinsa na inche Juli Kerubo nolio kweneke muna chibi chango wekera chira senchira yo wekera nuniga kuru kwa Abigail Nyanchama. Ekeonga Ewikendi Chinsa Ikomi ni gotogoge chakia kurwa matema soka yekeraskeri 12 aguseke Kisii niga koro kimuna chiskuru chiri chinene chikoba chikumuriko mono kubwa chiskuru chiri chinke wose chiskuru chiri chire asebinyoro kubate machibu ya matema ya soko omwako ya Kisii niga koro kimuna chiskuru chiri chinke kuchiri chire asebinyoro nigo choro kiri okwemuka asamatem nabo igogo koria buya.
So poko bamanya obuna Dr. Manga Model Girls High School se tuachire gosherekea omoyega omonene asengeje matokeo twanyorire 2024 njengo kwana Daktari Robert Nyakundi omonyakero gwe school ya Manga Model tora mogaiga amona ma ebo BHA na principal of the school tore no mogoko monene asokira na Nyasaye ngambi ya mono.
Hasa Marieta ni wonkoro kwa senior principal Jane Bosibori Nyachwaya. Umwalimu mwanana bwe school yeito ya Baiseke Manga Girls Model School egotoka iga sub county yeito ya Manga Nyamira County. Tore no mogoko monene bune school asengencho ya matemweito achetebuya naende arenge ayo komenta gusana improvement from the previous year.
Naitwa Dorothy Mokono, Deputy Principal wa Miriri Secondary School. Nashukuru sana kwa sababu wanafunzi wetu waliweza kufanya vizuri mwaka huu wa 2024 na ninaomba ya kwamba Mungu aweze kutusaidia mpaka mwaka huu wa 2025 tuweze kufanya vizuri.
Nje nafta alionga kinyamesa mo chief wele ya Miriri ngogete mono sana ikiagara skuru ya na ya Miriri Secondary School nerere emata skuru gose skuru enyiboli ya Chonsipi ige akora buya mono abana 24 kyarkuba kanigo chimaga ya lenge sleeping giant bone giant ya bokire.
I'm Geresa Mildred, the former student. I'm extremely excited juu iko tunatarajia hivi. Nimeombea kila mtu alituisha vizuri. Tumefurahi sana.
Nagugu hoye! Thank you Getembe TV. Tunawashukuru sana kwa kufika hapa leo kusherekea matokeo ya shule yetu. Tuko na furaha kubwa kwa sababu shule imefanya vizuri kuliko mwaka uliopita. Nyaguku huwa inapata wanafunzi wa max ya chini sana kama 150, 170, lakini saa hii tuko na P+, P-, C+ na tunashukuru.
Kwa majina
Horoboti orunto chikurunyora Chinsa chikoraga Chinsa ibere chabano maragoba ekero umuriketo Lucas Mogaka atororo seiri asenchera yobwekirano wegotoka gendra nese mayechi semi ni gotogwekagari seskuria kanotunga ase omoske Julius Ogamba akwanerete igoro yogo chikogendra gukora matemu gatigati iyo mwaka yakwanete maega ya ogosokia machibu alia KCSE na goteba boro kigo bari bategetia karango kiribata mbanyoreri bagana inde yogo chikokora amatemo ayo gatikati yo mwaka.
The students who sometimes face predicaments during exams or during the doing of one subject or undertaking one subject, and then it affects all their subjects because of that one incident, we give them an opportunity, media, to remedy that so that they can go to whatever college, whatever tertiary institution that they are going into. So it is an intervention that we have come up with as a ministry to ensure that no student is disadvantaged by circumstances that are beyond them.
Waigo maega yo mwalimu omonene weskuria St. Anne's goseria butuko gose Chinsa chia marogoba na kubasiekera isukaso gutaikirania mang'ana school fees ni gobono mu women representative we county ya Nairobi omoske Esther Passaris asabire abarimu abanene b'ekisukuru goseri abana abarokigwa gochinka bibagerio bakere abayiboli kisimi gose gokwana na abayiboli elio gokwana ng'ake school fees yeyo egwakanwa.
Ile kitu ambayo ilitendeka St. Anne's ni mbaya, na ile kitu ambayo inaniumiza sana ni wale walimu ambao waliwaeka hao watoto nje usiku, ni wa mama. Inawezekana aje? Mama, unajua mtoto wa kike, saa ile unataka kurudisha mtoto wa kike, you have to hand over that child to the parents. Uwezi kupeana huyo mtoto ati nje ya boda, na najua inachunguzwa na tutapata majibu what exactly happened. Lakini nataka kusema serikali inashinda kituambia hakuna mtoto atafukuzwa, lakini wazazi, mashule pia zinakuwa na shida, zinaenda bankrupt. Kuna shule zina madeni, hata ule mtu ambaye ana supply vitu au hata ule Kenya Power stima, hata maji, wanakuwa na deni kwa sababu unatuma mtoto shule bila vitabu na juu yake unamtuma mtoto bila fees, na unajua uko na outstanding ya miaka 3, mtoto wako form 4, unasema serikali ndio italea mtoto. Kama tumefika hiyo kiwango ambao serikali ndio italipa kila kitu, sasa ile serikali inasema ushuru, tuseme sawa, tutalipa.
So wewe unapokuja kwa Mama Dago ama Mama Esther, ati mtoto hajaenda shule mpaka saa hii, anangojea Mama Dago na Mama Esther na wengine, really? Hiyo ngombe Mungu akutoe ndani. It is wrong. By the time November inafika, unafaa unajua kuna transport ya kurudisha mtoto shule.
Ekeonga kerigia Kenya National Union of Medical Laboratories ni gobono giatangasire gukoro mugirobo aya maega yo kuigwana na serikali ya county ya Kisii.
Believe that from here they are going back to their places of work so that they continue doing what they are supposed to do, that is offering services to our people in the county government of Kisii. In the county government of Kisii.
Today, we have also signed a return to work formula. So we appreciate the county, we appreciate the officers, the branch officials, and today, as a Secretary General, I hereby tell my members that we have called off the strike.
I do authorize that all the members should be on duty immediately as now.
I'm urging our members, go back to work. Let us serve our people.
Ekeonga kerikia bateresa gose Kenya National Union of Nurses ni gobono giatangasire gose kiarariri ogochigo chaka omogiro onye serikali terigo chigoikirania amagani abo ni gobara chigo chaka omogiro yo chitariki 19 onye serikali teranyara goikaransa elio banyara goikirania agosaba kwabo.
The signing of the 2017 return to work formula at the national level, most counties have failed to implement the national return to work formula as it was signed. This failure has perpetuated inequities in pay, benefits, and working conditions for the nurses working in counties.
They have discriminated against nurse anesthetists, that nurse anesthetists cannot be allowed to do pre-authorization. They cannot, if they have to continue practicing as nurse anesthetists, they are being forced to work under doctor. Strike that will begin on 19th is strictly for 2 classes of nurses. One is UHC staff. They are the ones who are going on strike from 19th of January. 2, nurse anesthetists. They are also going on strike.
As UHCs, we join our seniors and we will be donning our tools come 19th of this month, because we have been on this contract for more than 5 years. We did our first 3 years, we were not paid gratuity, we were added 1 year and we were supposed to be converted. That did not happen.
So we are saying this half house must be cleaned. We cannot allow a doctor to hate nurses. We cannot allow a doctor to be the head of HR. We cannot even allow a doctor to be the head of public health. Kwani watu wanapeleka kusoma public health wanaenda wapi? Enough is enough. Afya House is the genesis for these problems. Money for UHC, I have information, it is in Afya.
Waigoto sasensemo yobochenu gweterase sekta yomoriko botambe Meri Mudoni niga serikali yatangasire okuba kwebinyenyikeri ekenyenyekeri kya HMPV oba nonye igo nigo gyatangasire bonyi ekenyenye kungera abakego ikasense ya Kenya lakini nonye nigo niga serikali yatebire abakenya gwetanga korwa sekenyenye kyo nakoenda ese chinya gitari karoba igure edariri nonye ye ogokorora.
Monitors the respiratory pathogens through the influenza sentinel surveillance system, and it is advisable for any Kenyan, if you feel that you're not feeling well, it would be important that you report to the nearest health facility so that you can be tested and we can allay the fears that indeed you're not sick, you do not have any problem with your respiratory system, and we are on high alert even within our health facilities. We have been able to communicate to the health facilities even at the county level so that we are able to coordinate as quickly as is expected. Also, the rapid response team is still part of the structure that was built then, and we have a strong one that is able to respond immediately because of the human resource that we already have in place, and part of it was actually intensively trained even during COVID on how to respond to the same. So I can confidently say we are ready. Should there be an issue, we will be able to respond immediately, and we will be able to really take care of any emerging or re-emerging issues in Kenya.
Omanchu morigerire Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi na otoko gikerigawe asengo gotembia monaso gotwaro borigererio buya orio ingemega yechibi chane kamera niga nkoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama boigo na inche nkoro kwa Julie Kerubo.